All right, group, we are on 13 through 16 on page 23. We're doing split the middle here. We always want to check for a GCF first. If you look at number 13, there's no GCF other than 1. So we're going to go ahead and multiply our first and last term. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. So we know when we're finding our two terms, we're going to do a positive and a negative to get that negative 24. And we want to add to a negative 25. So add to negative 5, multiply to negative 24. So 24, we can do 6 and 4. We'll just do negative 6, positive 4. That wouldn't get us negative 5. Oh boy. Negative 8 and 3. Ooh, that'll get us negative 5. That will work. Negative 8x plus 3x, we're going to split that. Oops, should be D, not x. My mistake. And then we'll bring down our negative 6. We'll bring down our 4D squared. Okay, we'll do our GCF. So here we can pull out a 4D from those two terms. So we're left with D minus 2. Positive 3 and negative 6, we can pull out a positive 3 from both of those. So we're left with D minus 2 as well. We always want those parentheses to be the same. That'll be our first part of our answer. The second part of our answer will be that 4D plus 3 from our GCFs. Okay, number 14. So here we don't have any GCFs that we can pull out because the only GCF would be 1. So we're going to multiply 2 times negative 11, which is negative 22. We know we're going to need a positive and a negative. We want to add to positive 21 and multiply to negative 22. So we could do 11 and 2. That won't get us to 21. I'm sorry. Negative 11 positive 2. That won't get us to 21. Maybe 22 and 1. If we subtract the 1 from 22, that gets us positive 21. That will work. Okay, so we split that middle term. Bring down your negative 11. Bring down your 2x squared. And then we'll group. I can pull a 2x out of both of my first terms there. So I'm left with x plus 11. Here I want to pull out a negative 1. And that will leave x plus 11 as well. We have the same parentheses, which is the first part of our answer. The second part of our answer comes from the 2x minus 1. Oh, right, we have some multiple choice, and then we are finished. Number 15. It says, which is a factor of x squared minus 11x plus 24? So we're going to go ahead and factor this, because we can't tell what the factors are until we factor it. So since we don't have a number in front of x squared, that makes our life a lot easier. So we want two numbers that multiply to 24 and add to negative 11. So if we want to add to negative 11, we know we're going to need two negative numbers. So what about negative 8, negative 3, negative 6, negative 4? Ooh, negative 8, negative 3 will actually get us there. So we have x minus 8 and x minus 3. So x minus 3 would be a factor. Okay, number 16, which of the following shows this guy factored completely? So there's two different ways you can do this. You can factor this, or you can look at these and try to like refactor it. We know that D isn't going to be an answer because that's not factored. It's probably going to be B or C. It could be A. This is the same thing as 3t plus 2 times 3t plus 2. So it could be that one. Let's just go ahead and factor it. So we're going to do 9 times 4, which is 36. So we want two numbers that multiply to 36 and add to 12. 9 and 4 will not get us there. 3 and 12. Nope. Let's see. We already did 4. Oh, 6 and 6 will get us there. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so we'll do 9t squared, keep that. Okay, and then we'll have plus 6t plus 6t. So our 12t became 6t plus 6t, and we keep our positive 4. Go ahead and group. So here we can pull out a 3t. So we're left with 3t plus 2. Here we can factor out a 2. And we're left with 3t plus 2. So then our final answer will be 3t plus 2, and then our GCFs to put together, which is also 3t plus 2. Looks like A was our answer.